Excel macro skills worth learning. I just got an idea that you can actually have, let's say you have a slide title for the PowerPoint, so you fire up a PowerPoint. Let's go here and type PowerPoint. Yeah, you started a blank PowerPoint, and then um, you want to write whatever it shows here. That's the first one, and perhaps you just want to insert one new slide, first one. So yeah, perhaps you want something like that, and then here you just type in key customer, or maybe you just copy and paste, or maybe yeah, you just copy this and paste it here, right? So that is just one slide. So have you ever thought of that you want to create a PowerPoint that based on all the slide title here and just create the structure it, and then later on you can do formatting you want on this PowerPoint. The thing is that there will be a lot of time, right, to take it, and not only that, you can also based on the latest Excel, you can actually say that I'm interested to do some uh, say okay, maybe I'll just put out this here, and then here I go to a data, what could it set review, do a translation, right? Yeah, let's say yeah, it can be Japanese, it can be uh Ch- Chinese, Chinese simplify. And do we have that? Okay, let's just put out there and enter. Do we have somewhere here? You should be able to enter this, right? Um, yeah. Mm. So why is that doesn't work that way? So it can be further improved on this. Okay, so I think very soon they'll have a function to do some translation. Maybe they already have it. No, not yet. So all right. So let's just say here. Right. So is it this one can? Um, maybe here. So we can see that it changed. Okay. So if I were just to insert it, hmm. Now I used to have that feature to just insert it. It's just translation, huh? Cannot be, right? Can I just paste it there? Can I? Oh, okay. Well, anyway, there is the this is still a very time consuming tools, right? You can see that here. So I can just put it here, paste it here, and then now yeah, maybe I'll just put out there these two together, and also put it here. So there are a lot of usage you can do with it. Let's just not don't save. Now the step you just seen here, the step that you just seen manually done, right, can be just with just one click. And so fast, you see that? It's run there. And of course, right, I can modify the code to make it even more interesting, right? So as for now, I go with just 4, and over here I change it to and 4. Over here I also change it to and 4. Alright, I do have created a slide, but I don't want this. I can just click on this here. Let's see what happens. Look at that. It's there, but pretty fast. And if you imagine you have 40 slides, titles, and you can just have it all in Excel and then export it to PowerPoint with just a click. It's just a click. So fast. And you can save the file as well. So here is just another reason why is it's a skill worth learning. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some idea